So today I'd like to talk about the splice function. The splice function is a function for JavaScript arrays that, wait a second, what in the green world is that?
But I'm meeting with my partner, and I said that
I hear something that's bothering me in the hallway.
magic.
One moment, please. Whoa, oh, ha-ha!
Shipman?
No, sustainability man.
I know it's you, Shipman.
No, it's not me. I am sustainability man.
Okay.
What are you doing over there?
I was just getting rid of some crap.
I think perhaps you need a lesson on the nature of crap. This bin is for trash. Things you can't use anymore and will end up in a landfill. Food, styrofoam, and your childhood dreams. This bin is for recyclable stuff. Paper, cardboard, metal, plastic, and glass go in the recyclable bin, as long as they are not wet. If they are dirty, clean them, and then dump them. Don't be the weakest link in the recycling chain. Now you know the nature of crap.
Thanks.
Available from my website.
Thanks, sustainability man. All this trash talk gives me an idea. I'm gonna reuse this.
What for?
Oh, it's a PCOM project. You won't understand.